Hi, welcome back to Mr. Rhino 3D. Today I will show you some quick tips to improve your modeling speed. Let's start. Tip 1. Array hole. Copy all rectangles and then extrude them. Next, by Boolean difference, subtract windows by building. Undo all of this. Use push-pull instead. Then use array hole, set the number of holes in each direction, and set the distance too. Done. Enjoy. Tip 2. Merge all coplanar surfaces. Apply sweep 1 rail, then fillet edge. The edges are not correct. Undo all of this. Use cap after sweep 1 rail, then merge all coplanar surfaces. Now it's time to apply fillet edges. Done. Enjoy. Tip 3. Define block. Copy an object several times, then change one part or change the color of the object. It takes time to change one by one. Undo all of this. Use define block instead. Copy the block as many as you need. Next, double-click on the block or use block edit command to edit the block. Then change one object and apply it automatically to all objects. Done. Enjoy. Tip 4. Offset multiple. Use offset multiple to copy and offset at the same time. Set the distance and number. After that, use push-pull to extrude them fast. Done. Enjoy. Tip 5. Array linear. Instead of copy one by one, use array linear to copy in one direction several times. Done. Enjoy. Thanks for watching. See you in the next tutorial.